Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners KTM 390 Series. The world of sport motorcycling beckons with promises of speed, agility, and the thrill of mastering the art of two-wheel riding. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating realm, selecting the right motorcycle is a crucial decision. The KTM 390 series, celebrated for its accessible power, sporty performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, stands out as the ultimate sport motorcycles for those commencing their journey into this exciting world. With its potent performance, striking aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the 390 series provides the ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the KTM 390 series lies a powerful 373cc single-cylinder engine that strikes an ideal balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers spirited performance, allowing riders to experience the exhilaration of sport riding while ensuring a gentle learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The 390 series boasts a sporty design that mirrors its larger sport bike counterparts. Its sleek lines, sharp fairings, and distinctive styling elements embody the essence of sport bike excellence, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic and visually striking motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also bask in the 390 series sporty aura. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the 390 series is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable riding position that ensures ease during both spirited rides and long journeys. The well-padded seat, mid-set handlebars, and accommodating footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The KTM 390 series is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis, sharp steering, and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently tackle twisty roads, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the 390 series often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and spirited escapes. The 390 series versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily urban commutes and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the KTM brand and the 390 series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the 390 series sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The KTM 390 series encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The 390 series offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Variety to suit every rider. The KTM 390 series offers a variety of models to cater to different rider preferences. From the naked bike style of the Duke 390 to the sport touring capabilities of the RC 390, there's a 390 series motorcycle to suit every beginner's taste and riding aspirations. Conclusion. The KTM 390 series exemplifies KTM's commitment to providing the ultimate sport motorcycles for beginners. With their accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the 390 series offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a KTM 390 series motorcycle as their first sport bike, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the excitement of conquering the open road on two wheels.